Every restaurant should be doing this money-making promo every single year.
Get your knife and fork ready to dig into a plate full of profits on the DFY Restaurant Revolution podcast with your host, recovering restaurant owner, Michael Tebow.
Hey, thank you so much for stopping by for this edition of the DFY Restaurant Revolution video / podcast. My name's Michael Tebow, and I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you for listening. Thank you for hopefully subscribing, and thank you for allowing me to help you create more business for your restaurant. I am a previous restaurant owner of over 26 years, 6 different restaurants, and a very large catering business that I was blessed with. And in 2008, sold everything and turned author, speaker, coach, helping independent restaurant owners through my marketing company, DFY Restaurant Marketing Systems, get more new customers, get your existing customers to come back with absolutely no work on your part. Isn't that cool? So what am I talking about? What is this promotion that every restaurant should be doing? Well, if you're watching this on my YouTube channel, you can see I'm wearing a red chef coat, but I'm not talking about the red envelope, which is the #1 restaurant promotion of all time. And I don't know if you know this, but we do it all year long. It works really, really well. Most of our clients do it in the month of December, so they pump up sales in January. But we can theme this out, and we can do it any month of the year for any theme. And what I'm talking about is, for this promotion that you have to be doing, is your restaurant's birthday. Now, some of you might think, oh, you talking about my restaurant anniversary? Absolutely. I don't like restaurant anniversary. It sounds boring. I'd rather celebrate my restaurant's birthday. And I did this in all 6 of my restaurants. And I have a ton of clients that do this as well. And it works really, really well. Now, here's a bunch of tips for you on how to supercharge your restaurant's birthday promotion. Because we know the #1 reason why your guests go out to eat is to celebrate birthdays. Because everybody loves to celebrate birthdays. It's a party. Nobody goes out to be bored at a restaurant. They go out to escape life. They go out to celebrate special occasions within their lives, anniversaries, getting engaged, birthdays, #1. Okay, and I'll give you another little tip. You want to get new customers? Buy a list of birthdays and send them an incredible birthday offer, driving them back to your restaurant. That's another podcast. So what we're talking about is your restaurant birthday. And here's the cool thing. You celebrate it every year. Don't celebrate it for just one day. You can celebrate it all month long. So here's the other cool thing that I love about this promotion is nobody knows when the hell you opened your restaurant, right? So pick your slowest month. If March, April, May, maybe the middle of the summer because you're down south and it's super hot, make that your restaurant birthday month and celebrate it, okay? Give people a reason to come out. Give the press a reason to do a story on you. They're just looking for stories. If you give it to them, they'll come out and you'll get free press, free exposure. That's what you want, right? But you got to do something. Have a celebration. So what do I mean? All right, well, hey, here's a self-promotional pitch idea for you. And the only reason I'm giving you this is because it works really, really well, is the red envelope. We can do this promotion for you for your restaurant's birthday, okay? So what it is it's 4 to 6 prizes from your restaurant, certificate inside. They can't peek. That's why it's also called the no peeking promotion. And you hand this out. No postage charge, and you know it's getting in the hands of your best customers. That's why it works so well, and it's so inexpensive, okay? So, and it's your $10,000 restaurant birthday giveaway. So pick a slow month, pass these out the month before. They bring it back in for your birthday month. They open it in front of a server, spending a bunch of money and seeing what they've won. This works awesome. If you've never seen it before, I got a cool video on my website, DFYMarketingSystems.com. and you can click on red envelope. It's top right and our website. You can't miss it. There's all types of information and templates on there for you. Okay, so you can do a red envelope promotion. Do a special birthday menu. Okay, and celebrate it all month long. Maybe give everybody a free slice of birthday cake. that comes in, okay? Or mail something out, hand something out, do a bounce back. Hey, we're giving free special birthday appetizers from ABC Restaurant, value up to $15 in the month of June because we're celebrating our 6th restaurant birthday. All right, super cool idea, works easy. Freebies, maybe give everybody a glass of cheap champagne when they come in, right? And toast. Just make it fun. Do something different. Okay, like I said, your customers don't want to go to another boring restaurant. There's plenty of them out there. You could do a contest, a giveaway, right? Enter our restaurant's birthday, flat screen TV giveaway. Maybe it's a vacation. Maybe it's a sporting event you're giving away. Maybe say you do pizza. Hey, to celebrate our restaurant's 6th birthday this year, we're giving away free pizza for a year. That sounds really, really well. And we do that quite a bit as the grand prize, for the red envelope promotion. The cool thing is all year long, you give them 1 certificate per month for a free pizza as an example. Okay, that's really cool. Maybe sing happy birthday every night at 7 p.m. to celebrate your restaurant's birthday. Have your staff wear buttons. Have your staff dress up, something special. Walk through the dining room with a birthday cake with sparklers singing happy birthday to your restaurant on the weekends, and then give everybody a slice of birthday cake. There's all different kinds of things you could do. Have some live entertainment. Do something a little different that you normally don't do. Decorate. Put some table tents on. Okay, make it a party. You can have a special cooking class workshop for the kids. Bring in some superheroes, right? Kids love that stuff to help celebrate your restaurant's birthday. So there's all different kinds of things you can do. And then you want to celebrate another slow month? Celebrate your birthday, the restaurant owner's birthday. But don't do it for one day. Do it for all month long. That way you get the most marketing juice out of every single promotion because you're going to make it fantastic. You're going to put some effort into it, and you're going to market the shit out of it on social media, on email, in print, and you're going to be busy because that's what we want for you. If you need more ideas like this, head over to my website, dfymarketingsystems.com, and sign up for a free membership. Top right, you can see it in the tab on the top of the website. Hit the membership button, and it says free. You're going to get all kinds of ideas like this. You're going to get copy and paste social media posts. You're going to get marketing templates. You're going to get downloadable reports, all kinds of stuff that are going to help you have a better restaurant and a better life. Thank you so much for listening for this week's edition. Remember, celebrate those birthdays. Celebrate your restaurant's birthday, your birthday. Heck, pick a staff member. Everybody loves to come out and celebrate. Don't have a boring restaurant. Thanks for listening. Have a great marketing day.
Thanks for listening to the DFY Restaurant Revolution podcast. Join us in the revolution by subscribing, rating, and reviewing on your favorite podcasting platform today.